Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing two vegan recipes, which will be the mushroom risotto and the vegetable stock. These are the ingredients needed to make both recipes. First, you need to soak the dried shiitake mushroom with hot water. For making the vegetable broth, in a medium-sized pot, add some olive oil and stir-fry the onion, garlic and carrots until fragrant. Then add water and the roots of spring onion. Close the lid and let the water come to a boil. Adding the spring onion roots gives the broth a much sweeter taste. Add the soaked dried mushroom liquid earlier, as this gives it a much earthy and depth to the broth. Close the lid and let it simmer for at least 45 minutes. Scoop out the ingredients as they have finished fulfilling their job description. Now we're going to cut the mushroom. Today I'm using shiitake mushroom, shimeji mushroom and Swiss brown mushroom, but you can replace it with any other types of mushroom that you prefer. Heat up a pan with some oil and stir fry the firmer type of mushroom first, which in this case for me would be the shimeji mushroom. Then goes in the Swiss brown mushroom and shiitake mushroom. When the mushroom is cooked, take it out and place it in a plate. Make sure to only rinse the arborio rice once only, just to be sure that there is no sand residue left. Heat up a pan or wok. Add in the olive oil and stir fry the diced onion and garlic until fragrant. Then add in the rice to coat it with oil and cook it. And now for the most important step, which is adding in the broth. You should add in a ladle full at a time, waiting until the rice absorbs the liquid and then adding in another ladle full. Stop adding in more broth if you see the rice is not absorbing the liquid anymore. Just trust in your instincts. When the consistency of the rice becomes like this, it's time to add in the cooked mushroom and give it a stir. Plate the risotto into a deep dish and enjoy it with some sprinkle of black pepper on top and some parsley. Delicioso! Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more upcoming videos.